Inside the SRC, you can able to find one folder name called repo. Okay. Inside the repo, you can able to find all OOTP codes, like all OOTP modules, everything. All joined, right?
Yes.
Like no, someone is going and coming. I don't know. We need to wait 1 or 2 minutes.
Are you sharing any screen or is just summarizing?
No, I have shared screen. You keep.
Maybe I'm facing some issue. I'll check.
1 minute. Yeah. All joined, right? And then again, I share the screen.
Yeah, you're audible now.
So everyone can able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we start now?
Yes, we can start.
Yes. Now we can start from the beginning. Okay. See, normally once we install the AWC, we will get AWC folder in the like a TC root. Okay. If we want to customize, if you want to do anything like customization, we need to do that customization into the stage folder inside the stage folder. Okay. Inside the stage folder, we can able to find one SRC folder. Okay. Inside the SRC, only all our codes going to be added. Okay. All inside the SRC, you can able to find one folder called repo. Inside the repo, all OOTP codes will be available. If you added any custom codes, that will be added in the like same stage of repo. Okay, now these are the custom modules and then custom kits, everything. Okay, now you can able to see once I have created, automatically it will store in the SRC folder. Okay, now what are the file like how everyone know, right? How to open Act Your Space? What are the services?
Yes.
See, coming to the services like pool manager, mandatory, process manager, and then like web services based on the environment like setups what they do.
Sorry to interrupt, but have you started the recording? Means
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I have started. Web services like based on the setups, they will go with the wildfly. JBoss or Tomcat, anyone. Okay, nowadays almost of all companies using this wildfly. Here. All the 50% of the UI work we can able to complete. Yeah, any button. See, now here you have two apples, right? Upload two apples. Okay, like you click on the two, some action is happened, and then you got the value in the below line.
Correct.
Yeah, in the same case, like now if you want this button, we can able to use. Just the action going to be changed, and then the names what we are using, like upload something is there, like that are going to be changed. Only we will get the UI symbol. Just we need to change the action based on our required, right?
Okay.
Yeah, all the UI like HTML and then JSON we can able to get from this framework. We need to practice, then we can able to get. Then once we got, then just we need to change the action. Here example. Now go to the like about some sample booleans. Here you have to apply, right? Go to the view first. Go to the view. Like here files are there. View model JS. Here view you have, right? Here you have line number 6 and 7. You have to radio buttons, right? Line number 6 and 7 and 7. Line number 7.
Yes, this one is the.
Yes, here you have one action element.
Yes, this one.
Like action. Change the code is actually the double click and then control. Just double click on the value change code, and then click on the control. Control. Double click on control.
Nothing's happening.
No, control. I'm asking to.
I'm doing the same. Maybe my keyboard is.
No, it's I'm changing the screen. This change code is here. Okay, here they have mentioned action type, and then they have given the file name, and then this is the method name. Okay, this method name we can able to find in the JS. Here they are updating the DB value of the label.
Okay.
This is the label. This DB value they are updating. It will automatically get the value here. Okay, it is inside the data, right? This label is there. No? This is inside the data.
Data dot storage.
Yeah, this is the inside the data. For every value there is display value and DB value. Okay.
Correct.
Here for this display name, this is the display name. For this we need to add the DB value inside the data dot label dot DB value. Automatically it's added data dot this radio dot this value dot and then DB value, and then it will store in this and then it will return. Okay, the return value will be updated in the Okay, we are passing the data and then we are getting the label for output, right? This label for output we are assigning to here, like how the files are connecting, like how the data is passing. Just from this we can able to get a 50% of the UI. Just we need to work on the actions. You are getting right?
Yes.
Yeah, like that, and like once we have practiced like some use cases, then you come to know how we can able to use that CMOS framework, and that is not tough. And then have a look on this SOA page. I share this folder, like how the data is, and then like in the so if we want to example any SOA service, create example. If I want to use the service, first I need to use the service name, method name, and then what are the inputs I need to pass. I need to check, and then what is the output it is passing, what is the type, okay, mandatory or not, everything I need to have a look. Then only I can able to use. Consider if I have created any like custom SOA service, that also I have created that also I get in this list, the custom SOA service also. Same I need to use the custom SOA service, like what are the inputs we have, what are the outputs we are getting, everything. Just you can have a look on the CMOS framework for now, and then we'll start the configuration.
Okay, Prakash.
Yeah. All good, right?
Yes.
Like what is style sheet, and the style sheet is the element UI element, so which you can able to decide, like from that style sheet we can able to decide which properties and which section should be visible. Okay, so I will try to open one custom object. Okay, I will try to open some custom object. Okay, just give me a second. So this test call part is there. This is the custom object. Okay, so if you observe here, same item is an style sheet is loaded. So I will open another object, another custom object. Okay. So I will open the test car engine. Okay, test car engine is nothing but other type of custom object. So it will decide, like for example, I will try to load the XRT. So editor. So for that we need to choose the active architect, and from that active architect, I will go to tab. I will open XRT editor. I will close this one. Okay, so here if I open the XRT editor, it will show by default. Whenever I toggle to that objects, it will load the style sheet of that object. Just give me a second. I will again open two objects. I will tell you.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt, but we are facing. I mean, background is background wise. We are facing.
Okay, I will remove that background noise. Just give me a second. This is the style sheet. Okay, client loads an object. Client is nothing but my active workspace loads an object. So whenever I click on one object, so it is loading that object. So for example, if I will do refresh, it will load the objects. Okay. So this is nothing but client is loads an object. How it will loads an object? The object type and UID is passed to server. If you observe, so this is the object type. So this is the item is an object type, and this car door is there, right? This is the car door type object. Car door reason is there, right? So this is the car door reason type object. And if we have any other thing, so that is nothing but the object type. And UID, like did anyone know about UID? So what is the use of UID? Can anyone know? Like how, at least how to say the UID or something? Yeah, Raj. We'll try to cover objects. We have already covered property, and we'll try to cover object set, and we'll try to cover table property as well. But I need like someone should have understanding on the BMIDE. If you guys already know something about table property in the BMIDE, then we can able to move forward for that. Otherwise, I will take other 10 or 15 minutes to explain the table property. After that, we move forward. Okay. So can anyone confirm, like, do you need to explain me table property in the BMIDE, or can I directly show like how it will be showing the UI? Can anyone confirm?
BMIDE, we can go with the BMIDE.
Yes.
Sorry.
I don't have an idea about this table property.
Oh, okay. I will try to show. Actually, that's the part of BMIDE course, but still I will try to show because that topic is we are in the AWC. So I will try to cover, then we will move forward. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So first we'll go and discuss about object set. Okay. And okay, let me. Yeah. So what is that object set? Like, can anyone know like what is the meaning of object set? So if you observe here, this attachment, right? So if I try to add something here, so it is allowing me to create document. I will try to create document, and I will provide some value here. Test what is it? Okay, and I will try to add. Okay, after adding that, if you observe, it was added here. So by default, it will be added with diamond specification, but I will show that one. So if you observe, it was added here. But So in the Teamcenter, we will already have predefined buttons, and in the rack, sorry, in the rack we will already have predefined buttons, and it will show directly. We don't need to modify anything over anywhere. But whereas in the